Hey everyone, Zia here and welcome back to the channel. I have some absolutely insane and important updates for you today, okay? Let's jump right into it. Okay, picture this. Someone's net worth rockets over $400 million in just 6 hours. No, this isn't fiction. This is Oracle. But how does that even happen? Get this, Oracle CEO Safra Catz saw her net worth soar by $412 million in a single day. When you look at this chart, you can see Oracle's stock price explode almost 40%. It's right there, the proof. And this isn't just a fluke. This company has become the go-to for AI workloads, securing contracts with giants like OpenAI, xAI, Meta, and Nvidia. We're talking $455 billion in future revenue, and the implications are just mind-blowing. But hold on, because it gets crazier. Larry Ellison, Oracle's co-founder, didn't just benefit. His net worth shot up by almost $100 billion in one day, making him the world's second richest person. Look at this headline, it's unbelievable. This surge isn't just about Oracle. It's boosting other AI stocks like Nvidia, sending ripples across the globe. With OpenAI predicting trillions in AI infrastructure, is this the new gold rush or something even bigger? In other news, a surprising development has just come to our attention. You think you know a style icon? Think again. Ananya Panday's wardrobe is a labyrinth of looks, from fierce glam to laid-back cool. How does one person master every single fashion road? It's an insane discovery, fellow truth seekers. Look at this, she steps onto the red carpet, and what does it say? Red carpet reign, unmatched elegance. She's not just wearing outfits, she's orchestrating a symphony of sophisticated, statement-making haute couture. But here's the wild part. Shift gears completely. When she's off-duty, her style is equally captivating. And on screen, you see casual chic code, effortlessly perfected. Well-curated denim, stylish blouses, comfortable sneakers. It's a masterclass in making casual look anything but. And this is where it gets interesting. The real puzzle piece? Her brilliant fusion of traditional and modern. This overlay right here, ethnic evolution, new perspectives. Whether it's an elaborate lehenga or a sleek sari, she brings a fresh, inspiring take to ethnic wear. The fallout? Ananya's journey isn't just about clothes. It's about confidence, individuality, and pure self-expression. So, fellow truth seekers, is she simply following trends, or is she secretly setting the new standard for an entire generation? Alright, moving on to our next story. Okay, gold chasers, hold onto your hats. Gold prices just took a sudden, shocking nosedive from record highs. What in the world is going on with our precious metals? Just days after hitting a jaw-dropping high, we see it plunging. Look at this headline right here, gold and silver are both down. It's profit booking, they say, and weak spot demand ahead of critical US CPI data. But here's the wild part. The Federal Reserve is whispering about a rate cut. Yes, a 25 basis point cut is expected on September 17th. And the data is clear. The US economy created almost 1 million fewer jobs than previously thought. Check this out. The jobs data is a massive downgrade. Is the economy in deeper trouble than we thought? And now, all eyes are on the US Consumer Price Index, the CPI data, dropping later today. Analysts are predicting a jump. Look at the CPI forecast here, 0.3% month-on-month. That's a huge factor influencing the Fed. And the implications are just mind-blowing, because experts are telling us to book profits now. They foresee extreme volatility. So, is this the end of gold's stellar run, or a golden opportunity for those who dare to buy the dip? Okay, from the world of politics to the world of entertainment. Okay guys, you will not believe this. The Indian stock market, Nifty50, Sensex, they just opened in the red. What in the world is going on? Look at this chart, guys. Despite all the positive buzz and market experts predicting upward movement, we see Nifty down 16 points and Sensex down 57. It's right there on your screen. Expectations versus reality. Market opens red. And this is where it gets interesting. While global markets like the US are hitting new record highs, look at this. India's Nifty is still almost 5% below its own record. See it here. India's underperformance, 4.4% below peak. Experts are pointing to an overvaluation correction. But here's the wild part. Despite that dip, analysts are saying India's economy is on the cusp of breakout growth, with GST reforms and strong fundamentals. Just look at this overlay. Game changer, GST reforms boosting growth. They say the market will soon discount higher earnings. So what does this mean for your money? Is safety in larger caps, or are small and mid caps still a gamble? The big question remains, where do you put your investments now? Okay, up next. You guys are not going to believe this. Okay team, strap in. While Nasdaq is soaring, the Indian market faces a bizarre, muted start. Is this the calm before a storm, or are we missing a crucial signal? Let's dive deep. Okay team, look at this. Nifty50 just formed a doji candle. This market indecision on your screen tells us traders are torn. But here's the wild part. The data confirms it. Nifty's 25,200 strike is a major resistance wall. Sensex faces 82,000. See that? Nifty's 25,000 barrier. On your screen, these are critical levels dictating everything. And Bank Nifty, look at this, showing base formation. But widening Bollinger Bands suggest a broad range ahead. Your screen says Bank Nifty's tightrope walk. This is exactly what nobody is telling you, a trap or a launch pad. With bullish crossovers and positive momentum, a fresh run is possible, but consolidation looms. The underlying trend is positive, yet indecision lingers. So what do you think happens next? Drop your theories, Zone News team. And now for something on a lighter note. Is it just genetics, or is there a secret formula to captivating an entire nation with grace and style? Prepare yourselves, because Mirza is redefining timeless elegance, and you won't believe how she does it. Okay, look closely at this breathtaking shot. For years, Daya's been celebrated for her style, but it's more than just beauty. Her fashion choices blend tradition and modernity flawlessly. And the proof is in the details. She's a true style icon. But here's the wild part. It's not just the outfit, it's the story each piece tells. From rich silks to organza, adorned with delicate embellishments. This isn't just clothing, it's a narrative of cultural heritage, a masterclass in weaving the past into the present. As the screen shows, it's a cultural tapestry. And it's her styling that's the real game changer. Statement jewelry, perfectly paired with natural makeup. It's an unspoken secret to enhancing her look without overpowering it. She's not just wearing it, she's owning it. You see here, the elegance equation is subtle yet powerful. Her confidence, her poise, it all adds up to an undeniable aura. Whether it's a premiere or a cultural event, she captivates. So, she's inspiring millions. But what's the real magic behind making traditions so universally appealing? And just when you thought the day couldn't get any stranger. Zo crew, can you believe what just went down in Nepal? Thousands of travelers, suddenly stranded, chaos at the airport. But then, a plot twist you won't see coming. The Kathmandu airport reopens, and immediately the aviation ministry steps in. Look at this, they are bringing in the big guns. Air India and Indigo on special assignment, ensuring folks get home. And look at this on screen, it says Special FLIGHTS deployed. But here's the wild part. The government saw a problem coming, dynamic pricing. They told airlines to cap fares. An Air India flight already left Delhi, set to return early Thursday. This text on screen confirms it. FARES capped, no price gouging. And we have the receipts. Air India Express isn't just flying, they're offering insane flexibility. Booked to Nepal up to September 17th? Look, reschedule for free, no change fees, no fare difference. That's huge, and it's all right there. Free reschedules until SEP 17. So, a swift response from the government and airlines, getting people home without breaking the bank. A quick, decisive move to ease travel chaos. But what does this mean for future crises? Are these measures enough long-term? Now, for a look at what's happening in the world of finance. Okay, you are not going to believe what we just uncovered. India is racing towards a tech future, aiming for self-made chips by mid-2027. But then, something impossible emerged from the shadows. Could this entire dream be derailed before it even begins? Look at this incredible vision. Tata Electronics is building an $11 billion chip fab in Dholra, Gujarat. They are aiming for wafers by mid-2027, a true game changer for India. But here's the wild part. An internal executive just dropped a bombshell. The entire rollout could face massive delays. They need rare earth metals like molybdenum and hafnium, but the current China-linked disruption is a huge problem. The article explicitly warns us, and when you see this, you will understand why it is a critical elements crisis. This is not just a corporate hiccup, it is a national challenge. The government has approved a 1,500 crore mission to secure these minerals domestically. It is a race against time to build a local supply chain. And the implications are just mind-blowing. This is not just about one company. It is about India's technological independence. Can Tata navigate this rare earth minefield and keep the chip dream alive? Or will global supply chain battles reshape our future? What is your take on this massive undertaking? Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit that button. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Zone News.